Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I thought I'm going to do something different, something fun. We are going to play around with scarves. As you can see, I am wearing my scarf as a top. So I thought I want to share with you guys on how to turn these beautiful scarves into beautiful tops. So yeah, let's get started. I am using a square scarf in 90 centimeter. And also a scarf ring. This one is from Hermès with the 3 loop. And what we're going to do is we're going to grab 2 ends of the scarf and insert it through the bottom loop. And each end goes into each loop and pull the ring down. And then we have this, and we're going to tie it around the neck and make sure it's double knotted for security. And we're just going to tuck in this bit right here to give it a clean look. And then at the bottom, what we're going to do is we're going to roll it inward. And I am going to make a crop top, but you can definitely make it longer as well. And then tie it in the back. Again, double knot it. And then we just have to fix and hide all of the excess here to give it a clean look all around. And then with the ring, you can adjust at the neck to make it a little bit more comfortable, depending on your own comfort. And there you go. This is so cute. One of my favorite styles. Super adorable. So let's say if you don't have the scarf ring, you can still create the same look using a hair tie. And so we are going to start the same way as the other one. Tie it around the neck. Now we're going to use the hair tie and just tie the scarf. I'm just going to tie it 3 times here to make sure that it's secure. So this is like a replacement of the ring. So if you don't have the ring, you can just do it like so. And at the bottom, we are going to do the same thing. And this is going to give you the exact same look without having to use the ring. So easy and so simple. And that is the hair tie. Depending on the color of the scarf, you want to use the hair tie that match. Style number 2, we are going to this time fold the scarf in half as a triangle and then just wrap it and knot it behind your back like so. This is one of the easiest way and the most simple way to wear your scarf as a top. You can leave the front like so, or you can also tuck it in as well. Style number 3, we are going to again fold the scarf into a triangle, but this time the reverse side of the scarf is on the outside. And then I'm using a scarf ring again. And just like the other one, we're going to loop it through. And we're going to pull down the ring. And then tie it around our neck. Double knot. Yes, we double knot everything here. And now at the bottom, what we're going to do is we're going to pull the 2 ends at the bottom. And we're going to pull it out like so. And this is the reason why we wanted to fold the scarf at the beginning in the reverse side so that when we pull it out, the right side is being shown. This style is very wearable and very comfortable. I actually really like to wear this style. I do wear this style very often. So cute, right? For this next style, we are going to fold the scarf into a triangle again, and we're gonna wrap it around the body through the front like so and give it a knot. We're not gonna double knot it. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna use one end and loop it underneath the tube top. The other end, we're gonna loop it inward up the tube top, and we're gonna give it a nice pull. And then now we're gonna double knot it. That will hide the tube top underneath, and we are gonna hide in all of the excess. We're gonna hide in the bowl. That's just to give it a clean look. And there you go. Now you have a little cute bandeau top. This is perfect for the beach. The next style is going to be the exact same as the previous one. However, this time we're not going to hide in the bowl. We are going to leave the bowl hanging. So we tie the bowl like so, and then we're just going to hide in all of the excess. On the side here, we're going to hide the tube top as well. I'm just going to tuck it in at the top and then a little bit at the bottom. And now you have a very cute bandeau top with the bow in the front. This is super adorable. So cute. The next style, we are going to fold the scarf into a triangle again, and we're also going to wrap it around our body from the back forward to the front, and we're going to crisscross it upward and then double knot it on the neck. And then we're going to adjust the front top, and I'm just going to tuck in all of the excess, make sure everything is neat and clean. And what you can do also at the front, to make it secure, you can also use like a safety pin and pin the front. In the back here, we are just going to tuck everything in as well to give it a clean look on the side. And there you go. You have an halter top. Style number 7, we are again going to fold the scarf into a triangle, and then two ends of the scarf, we're going to make a double knot like so. And then I'm just going to put it over my body. Adjust it a little bit here so everything sits well. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull it under my arm and then twist it and then put my arm through. That will give me a little cute strap. I went ahead and took out my tube top so that you can see it a little bit better. And then you can also tuck in the front as well to give you a different look. Or what you can do is you can roll it up as well, and that will give you a little cute crop top. I'm just going to tuck in all of the excess in the front and the back. And there you have it. So cute. This is one of my favorites. It's super adorable, very functional. I just love, love, love this. What do you think? Next up, we are going to use the two ends of the scarf and tie a double knot. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side so that we have a little rectangle like this. And then we're going to wear it over our shoulder like so. And what we're going to do in the back is that we tie it again. And make sure this one is a little bit tricky because it's really hard to tie. It just takes a little bit patience. And then there you go. So you have this really cute top, very feminine. It's more like a blouse. I think it's very dressy, very chic, and very elegant. What you can do to the side of the arm is if you don't want that little sleeve, you can tuck it in like so. And I think that's really cute too. So feminine. I just love it. And then the inside, it actually creates a second layer. So you can pull that second layer down and that will kind of give you extra coverage. Tuck it in at the bottom. So now you see that nothing is hanging out. So it's a little bit more secure. Again, this style I think is very wearable and very comfortable as well. And super adorable. Thumbs up. For the next style, we are again going to fold the scarf into a triangle, hold the middle and cinch in at the middle like so. And then we are going to give it a knot right at the middle. And we just have to make sure that we pull it tight enough to make sure that it's secure. And then we're going to tie it around our back and double knot it, of course. I went ahead and took off my tube top so you can see it better. Now we have a very clean, cute bandeau top. This can work perfect as a swim top. For this next style, we are going to fold the scarf in half to create a rectangle. And then we're going to wrap it from the back. And we're going to tie the front on the top. We're going to double knot it. And we just have to adjust a little front a little bit. You can wear it like so. I think it's really cute. Or what you can do is you can tie the bottom as well. And we're going to double knot here. And this will give you a super cute bandeau top, but a little bit more coverage. You can definitely wear this as a summer top, as a crop top. Super cute, very wearable, very functional. And it doesn't even show the tube top at the bottom. Very secure. It's so cute, right? For the next style here, I'm going to use 2 scarves of the same size. And I'm going to tie them together. We're going to double knot it again. And I'm going to tie it on the other side. So we're going to put it on one end on my shoulder for now. And we're going to tie the other one. Just imagine as if you're trying to create a cape. And then we're going to tie at the bottom as well. And this one, you don't need it to be too fancy. You can tie it very loosely. It's fine. Because we have 2 pieces. And then we're just going to tuck in the excess on the side here. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. And with that, we have a very relaxed top, very fun, very easy to wear, and it's super comfortable. And then if you want more like a fitted look, you can definitely tuck it in. So we're going to tuck in the front, and then we're going to tuck in the back as well. We're going to hide the bowl again. And I'm going to fix the neck a little bit here, so you can adjust it however you see fit. And there you go. You have a very cute and comfortable top. For this last style here, we are just going to tie the scarf around our neck like so. And we're going to double knot it, of course. And this one at the bottom, we're going to roll it up. This is kind of similar to the very first style that we tried earlier. However, the neckline is different on this one. And we're going to give it a tie in the back here. And you can definitely wear this one a little bit lower if you don't like the crop top look. But here I am doing a crop top, so we just tuck it in at the front and the back. I'm also going to adjust the neck a little bit too, just to give it a clean look, a little drape look. And there, we have this super adorable top. And I think this one is also very wearable as well. And that will be all for this video. I really hope that you enjoy. And if you do, please subscribe to my channel. Also, click on the bell notification so that you get notified the next time I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next week. Bye for now.